What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video, part 2 of the tires. Before we start the video, just want to say thanks for everybody who's been supporting the channel as of now. So appreciate everybody's help. It's a good day to make a video today because, as you can see, we got Sally on the side. For some reason, this pupper didn't want to turn on yesterday when I was trying to take it home. Something to do with the battery. So we got what we needed today. We got some cables. We brought my tools in case we need to take the battery off and go, I guess, charge it or trade it. But there's power. As you can see, that thing is blinking. But for some reason, it's not turning on. That's what it's doing. If anybody wants to donate me some Hush Springs, Hush Shocks, please be my guest. So that is sketchy. Hopefully it doesn't break in half and pop me in the head. This is originally from the V6 engine that we used to have in this truck. So I don't know if that's what's not letting it turn on no more. Oh wow, that looks melted. It's melted as shit. Oh wow, that is not bueno. So that's probably why it's not turning on. Let's just run it back. So we finally got the tires in from American Muscle. We gotta get into the tire shop. I gotta load up the rims on the back of this truck. And I can't do that unless I turn this baby on. Cables, of course, I call these cables. I don't have a mount for, so we're gonna leave it right there for now. Hoping that's able to turn it on, because as I can see, we got top post and the side post for this one. That one kind of burnt off, so hopefully this baby still has some juice in it and we're able to turn this on. Okay, so it's not turning on, so I think my battery's dead.
Yeah, you think?
And that's not bueno, because there's no money, baby. There's no money as of now. Okay, another thing I can do, probably pass cables to it. I don't like doing this with the charger because that's really complicated to get to the battery, guys. This literally has a battery in the back for some reason. Probably if I tighten it up, I don't know. Let's see if that works. And it is at 8. So that's not working. Apparently it's fucking all done up. That's not giving. I need to charge this thing up. I don't think it's the best idea to take this truck right now with a dead battery and to be going everywhere. And then if I turn this thing off, probably it's gonna not turn back on. I'll turn this baby on real quick. I do gotta go real quick to AutoZone and make a run and try to make these side posts become to top posts. We're gonna figure something out today, guys, because I've been dealing with this battery for like the longest already, and I know it's not an expensive thing to do. I just haven't done it. But we're doing that today. We're also gonna be getting those tires mounted up. Look, we're back at 18. This thing should turn on already. Like nothing, bro. Look at that. Okay, so we're done with that. All right, guys, tell me these ain't looking like some bald eagles. Load these pumpers up. Can't forget my tools. Get those, because we're gonna do that side post right now. The battery went back down. That is not good. I don't think I should turn this thing off. I'm scared. No sign of my gauges, bro. But we're gonna get that fixed out today. Get both of the tires real quick. Make a first stop at the gas station. Not turn this thing off because it's not gonna turn back on apparently. Take our asses to AutoZone. Pick up the new post. I'll go home and change them. Then we'll go do these things with tires. I don't know, but let me go load up those tires real quick. Okay guys, we gotta get out of here because this thing wants to turn off on us and we're not gonna let it turn off. That is crazy, bro. This thing doesn't want to stay on. And it turned off. Great way to make a fucking video, G. So probably messed this up. I probably should have gone and picked up those top posts and then maybe changed them right there outside her house and picked up the tires and stuff, because now I'm stuck. I ain't making far at all. And there it goes, not turning on again. Luckily there's somebody here in the front. Right now I can't even do the truck here because this is loaded with these rims and these tires, and this sucks. So I don't know, bro. I'm gonna see what I do. I'll get back with y'all right now, and hopefully we can get this thing turned on. All right, guys, so we're back where we started. I'm driving the Charger again. As you can see, we got the battery in the car. We're gonna make our way to AutoZone. I think this battery has warranty. I don't quite remember. I mean, it had a warranty. I don't know if it's still valid. I bought this battery back like the first year of me owning the truck. I was looking at the battery and it has labels of like 323. This one has a June 23. So it's not even a year. I'm gonna go see what's up real quick. Hopefully it has warranty and I don't have to buy another one. I just hope it's the side post. You can see right here. This is the little screw that messed up. So this is on the negative side. Can't really focus it, but it's really washed up, man. I can't really catch no grip on it, so it stays loose. But that already messed up all the plans. But it's all good, man. We'll get it done today. If not, we'll get it done tomorrow. Pulling up to your local AutoZone right now, buddy. Hopefully, like I said, it is just the side post, and if it's that, then it's a lot cheaper than what I'm gonna waste. Because yeah, this is a pretty bashed out. We're back in action. Picked up a new battery. Thank God it had warranty, guys, because like I said, that boy is not doing good right now. This one is gonna be up for sale, so if anybody's looking for a new battery, guys, part number is gonna be 34DT DL. Let me know in the comments or shoot me a DM on my Instagram. I'll put it down in the link below. Like I said, you're looking for a new battery, holla at your boy. Reason being, you're probably like, Lewis, you just got the battery, why are you still in it? Yeah, because guys, as you can see, we have a V8 in here. This is a V6 battery, so it's actually not practical for me to have it, but I do need a battery as of now. So let me know, guys. 180 or best offer, hit me up. I'll drop it off if you're local. Just want to get rid of it. With that being said, guys, let's put this baby in here, turn this sucker up, because we still got a lot of things to do. We gotta go pump gas, gotta go look for somebody who's gonna mount those tires up for your boy, and yeah, we're gonna get that over with. So let me go ahead and do this real quick. And just meanwhile, somebody, you know, just in case somebody wants to buy it, like I said, we're gonna be running the battery as of now, but we're here to take care of it for you. Just don't take long buying it, because then it's gonna drain. But it has 1 year warranty under my name, so holla at me, let me know. Guys, it's been a long day, it's been a long week, but we're striving, baby. Your boy put in an application today. Hopefully we get that job. If we get that job, bro, it's gonna be a lot more money coming into this YouTube channel. You ain't gonna never believe it was gonna be. You're gonna be like, Lewis, how you get all this money? I'm a drug dealer, baby. That's what I'm gonna say. Although I'm gonna be lying on my ass, lying on my teeth. Hey, so for some reason, whenever you buy a new side post from AutoZone, of course they don't come OEM. But who would have figured? It goes from an 8. It goes from an 8, bro, to a 14. That is crazy, G. That is crazy. But it's all good. As long as it's gonna turn on, as long as it's gonna run, can't complain. Put that in there. Hold on, guys. Fudge. Will it turn on? I don't know. We're gonna go see. We're gonna go see, buddy. Here we go. Real quick, I'm gonna turn this baby off because we got no gasolina, and then that's gonna be another issue of these bitch dies right here because we don't have gas.
2 hours later.
All right, guys, as y'all can see, we already got one mounted up. 315 35 ZR20s. These are the back ones, of course, and they don't look bad, actually. They look pretty good. Just need to go clean these up, get an alignment on the car, and we should be Gucci. Look at these ones. These hoes are ready to give up. Like I said, we do need an alignment. That's not good. Look, bro. Yeah, these are ready to go. Put these on till later tonight because I do want to do a deep clean on them. I'm excited to see what these look like again. It's been a long ass time. These are some thick boys. Hopefully, probably sooner than later, we can fix up these rashes already and try to clean again, because yeah, that looks sketchy. I don't know who the hell that was. I'm gonna just wait to get the other one. Once we get the other ones, like I said, we're gonna head home, clean them up real good, and I would be seeing y'all in the next second. For me, it's the next couple hours once we get these put on the car and stuff like that, and we'll go from there, guys. Holla.
Later that same evening.
I told y'all this was gonna be a good video, guys. It was a good day. Started off good. Just some stuff happened. As y'all know, we got the battery on Sally earlier. That was one of the issues. It wasn't the only issue though, apparently, because I am stranded right now. The truck's not turning on. Turned off on me while I was driving. Luckily, I made it into a street and I wasn't left on the feeder, because that would have sucked. I don't know whose house this is, but they were nice enough to let me leave it here. It all went down pretty fast, but it's all good, man. We're gonna figure out what it is. Stay tuned for the next video, because this is gonna be a bomb one, and hopefully we find a problem and we can get a solution for it. Shout out to my father-in-law. He's actually pulling up right now to help me take it out. I was trying to push it out because I know I can push it straight down, but I kind of left it in the hole. As you can see, it's a little bit in the hole. So yeah, so stay tuned, guys, for the next video. I hope you have a good day. We're just gonna cut off the video here and we'll see what goes down from there. Appreciate it. And if you have not yet, drop a like, comment, and subscribe, guys. And maybe I can show this video because it's gonna go towards the truck at the end of the day. And hopefully we can start doing some content on it without any more issues and get it resolved. But yeah, deuces.